Hi.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Tanveer.
What's your father name?
My father name is Krishnappa.
What's your school name?
Marikama Pre-Primary National Public School, Vatkorgi.
Which class you have studied?
LKG.
Read the vegetables.
Tomato, brinjal, potato, flower, cabbage, garlic, onion, pumpkin, bitter gourd, radish, capsicum, mushroom, ginger, carrot, red chili, turnip, sweet potato, sweet peas, beetroot, butter gourd, almond, seed corn, portobello, peach gourd, cucumber, lady's finger, drumstick, coriander leaves.
Good. Read the birds chat.
Hen, cock, duck, turkey, crow, pigeon, parrot, myna, parrot, peacock, pigeon, woodpecker, hummingbird, kuto, bulbul, vulture, owl, vulture, eagle, kite, opio, toucan, ostrich, crane,
Flamingo.
flamingo, plummet.